Welcome to Traction Guest. I'm Carolyn, and I will now introduce you to our leading Salesforce integration for your visitor management platform. At Traction, we believe in the power of data and have therefore invested in developing a best-in-class integration with the world's #1 customer relationship management platform, Salesforce. Before we start, make sure you have your Salesforce integration activated. Go to the Integrations tab, click on the Salesforce Cloud, and activate your account. Now you're ready to go. Next, jump into the Experience Editor. The great thing is that you can configure everything directly within your experiences. You simply need to add actions to your flow. Traction Guest offers two different ways for you to automate importing visitor data into your Salesforce account: our Salesforce one-step action or the advanced Salesforce field mapping action. The main difference between the two is how much you want to customize what data you are capturing and where you are putting it in Salesforce.com. Let's say you only want to automatically get new leads created or add activities to existing contacts. You don't need to customize anything else and are happy with the out-of-the-box data integration. In that case, all you need to do is select the one-step action in your experience flow. Click on the plus button, scroll down to your actions, and select it. That's it. So whenever the person signs in with Traction Guest, based on their email address, it will check in Salesforce whether the individual already exists as a lead or contact. If not, it will create a new lead. If yes, then it will add an activity to the activity history on the contact record. The advanced Salesforce field mapping action allows you to go even further and map data to any fields in Salesforce. Both our Experience Editor and Salesforce are very flexible, enabling you to fully configure what information you want to capture and where it should go in your central Salesforce environment. With our leading integration, you can find, insert, update, upsert, or delete records in Salesforce. You can then write to any field on those records or relate records to each other. For example, if you're using Traction Guest for check-in at an event, you could automatically create new leads and even instantly add them to a specific campaign. For that, you insert the field mapping action in the flow where it makes sense. In this case, after the About You page would be fine. Then you need to decide on the operation. Upserting means that it will update existing records or insert a new one if none are found. As a next step, select a custom or relevant standard object in your Salesforce account. Then select how you will find the record, for instance, the visitor's email or last name. And finally, select the fields you want to impact in your Salesforce org. Good. Now you're done with the settings and can use the drag and drop interface to map the fields. For our example, we will match it from email to email. There are tons of other use cases. You might also want to give your sales teams more information about the individuals, such as what brought them to the event, and map that to a dedicated field in Salesforce. This will allow your team to design better follow-ups. Once a Salesforce action has happened, you'll see a blue cloud on the visitor's sign-in record. Clicking on this will tell you exactly what data was passed to their records in Salesforce. As you can customize everything to your needs, we recommend involving your Salesforce admin to help you with the setup of the data flow. And don't forget that you can use the permission bundle settings to limit who has access to these configurations. Watch our video on permission bundles for more information. In a nutshell, Traction Guest helps you keep your Salesforce data richer and cleaner. Being able to manage and analyze customer data empowers your business to understand needs, solve problems, and identify opportunities. Make sure these features are available as part of your selected plan. Get in touch with your account manager if you have any questions or want to upgrade. Thanks for listening.